Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to do this beautiful daisy granny square. It is very easy and it's perfect for beginners. So let's start, shall we? You're going to use any hook that is suitable for your yarn. I'm using 2.5 millimeter. I'm going to place my yarn this side, open, and then rotate it around my finger across. Insert from this side, pull, and chain 1. Another 2 chain, and this 3 chain represent 1 double crochet. Now inside the circle I'm going to work 11 double crochet. So I'm going to insert inside, pull, and then I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to pull through the first 2 loops and the remaining 2. I can pull, insert inside, I have 3 loops, the first 2, the remaining 2 again, and this is my double crochet. One more. Continue doing until you have 11 double crochet, and with the first 3 chain it will be a total of 12. I have finished all my double crochet. I'm going to pull this yarn and then insert in the 3rd chain from the hook, chain 1 and pull and cut. I'm going to insert at the top of any of the double crochet. Pull this to close the circle. See how I pull, and then here it's closed. Now at the top of any of the double crochet I'm going to insert my yarn and then create a knot, and I'm going to start by doing a 3 chain, again 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Work around your yarn. Now for here in this round I'm going to work cluster of a triple crochet. So I'm going to yarn it twice, insert in the same hook, in the same stitch, and then I have 4 loops, the first 2 and the next 2 loop only. Again, yarning it twice, insert inside the same stitch, pull the first 2 loop and the remaining 2 loop. I have what? And then all the loop, and then chain 2. Again, I'm going to yarn it twice, insert in the next stitch, the first 2 loop and the remaining 2, and I have 2 loop only. Again, yarn it twice, insert at the top in the same stitch, the first 2 loop and the remaining 2 loop. I have now 3 loops on my hook. Again, yarning it twice, insert inside, pull the first 2 and the remaining 2. Now I have 4 loop. I'm going to insert through all 4 loop, then chain 2, and this is a cluster of a triple. Again, yarning it twice in the next stitch, cluster of 3, the first 2 and the remaining 2, yarning it twice, insert inside, pull the first 2 and the next 2. Now I have a 3, yarning it twice, insert inside, pull the first 2 and the remaining 2, and now I have 4 loop through all 4 loop. Continue working like this and come for the next round. I have to work around them, so I'm going to do a slip stitch at the top of the first cluster, chain 1 and cut. This brown yarn I already work around while I'm working on the cluster, so I'm only going to cut, and that way it's secure. Now bringing the white, I'm going to insert at any of the chain 2 space, and now we're going to turn it into a granny square. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 represent 1 double crochet, another double crochet, so this is 1, again 2, now chain 2, again in the same chain space I'm going to work a 3 double crochet. So 1, 2 and a 3. In the next chain space again 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and a 3. In the next chain space again 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and a 3. And this is my pattern, which is you're going to repeat. You're going to work 1, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet, and then in the next 2 chain spaces also 3 double crochet. So again repeat this, again repeat it 3 times and come for the next row. Now I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook and then do 2 slip stitch in the next double crochet and the next and the 3rd one until I reach this chain space. Now what we've done in the previous row we're going to repeat it here. So I'm going to chain a 3, and in this corner space we're going to create the corner, which is what, a 3 double crochet. This is only the first 3 chains represent 1 double crochet, so this is the 2nd, and now this is my 3rd, and then chain 2, another 3 double crochet in the same chain space. This is 2nd and a 3. Now in all between the double I'm going to crochet again 3 double crochet. And in the next also, see, between them all double crochet except the corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochets. And this is my pattern. So you're going to repeat it this also again 3 times and come again. I have finished all my stitches, so I'm going to do a slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the hook, chain 1 and pull and cut, and then you're going to secure this yarn. Now for this square, either as a suggestion for a future project or whatever project you want, either you create the same pattern with the same color and then just connect them together to create a beautiful blanket. For another blanket example, imagine doing it by alternating between this square and a traditional granny square, where it could be white, the color of the extra square, or you can use it by doing a white, a yellow color as a traditional square, creating a beautiful blanket, and the border maybe using brown to create such an abstract, different, to bring the blanket beautiful color. So this for today tutorial. I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel. Until the next time, thanks for watching.